Woody the woodpecker, pecking on some suet. Takes us 2 hours to get half the driveway done. Now it's going to take us 20 minutes just to get this. God bless the technology. Okay, just to show you guys how deep this is, I'm gonna go for a walk. Look at this. This is insane. This isn't even windblown. This is up past my knees. This is nuts. This is absolutely insane. 5 to 10 inches my ass. Only a weather forecaster could be that wrong and still have their job. I'm that wrong, or anybody else in our company is that wrong. Satellite is hitting Pluto. Absolutely unbelievable. It's gorgeous though, it's nice. There's the sunroom. All the icicles. Patio furniture. Absolutely uncrazy. One heck of a storm. Nice to see. 7, 8 years of green Christmases, it all made up for it today. I hope everybody else is caught in it, is enjoying it, and gets home safe, or is just safe, period. So, whew. Awesome.